Kikubor kipapanya. Menteri Rang Badu Kari Narendra Modi negasngi ula ong baki India kan pen itu thong bat penshitom ya baro kilekno bat kinong kershan jongki hadian ke jingsha thombo bersyirkai ha Pahalgam Jammu bat Kashmir ha ka apu artarik uyayong aba ai jingkren ha ka jingelang ha Madhubani ha ka jingrakhe National Panchayati Raj Day Menteri Rang Badu ula banjur ba on penshitom da ka bating i kam pentriem bat ka mensiam ke India kan long ka bayaine bat ka batek song ulapan paru ya ka jinge teli syaki long yeng jongki lanot bat ai khuble ya ki nongelam ka perthai na ka benta ka jing kershan ka jongki umudi ula kular scam ban yakun persya i kam pentriem har ringkat ka jingkut jingmut jongki shispa sau folklor ngut ki patba da ka banyau ya ka ne ka jing sha thombor kum ka jing hiartma ya ka mensiam jong kari
track and punish every terrorist and their backers. We will pursue them to the ends of the earth. India's spirit will never be broken by terrorism. Terrorism will not go unpunished. Every effort will be made to ensure that justice is done. The entire nation is firm in this resolve. Everyone who believes in humanity is with us. I thank the people of various countries and their leaders who have stood with us in this time.
Abakren sikala patai khubor New Delhi nen